Okay, so this is snob map making. This is our first showcase video for our um first ever. Well, I guess it's not technically our first. We've been doing map making for a while, but this is our first ever showing one. I'm sorry if my voice is terrible. I have a cold today, so sorry if it sounds weird or different or anything. But yeah, I guess this is the second go, and the first one was it is the same thing. This is my normal voice though. So today we have Snow Cone, that's me, and Snowman, which is Lennon right here. And you can't hear him because we're not rich. We can't afford the upgraded screen thing. But here, so yeah, so this is one of the things that he made. And let's go. This is so this is a map that we worked on together for probably around a month. And it is a uh Marvel map. Please don't snowsuit. But yeah. So we have like a bunch of different like Marvel themed character abilities, which I we haven't posted the map yet, so eventually we will, probably get rid of the whole copyright part of it, but not yet. Right now it's Marvel. So don't do my zero subscriber YouTube girl, please. Let's get started. Let's do it. Let's go. Okay. So you can't attack or anything, and warriors. So you're able to come in here, and I'm gonna show and replay it after. But you're able to buy items to kill it. So here, outside. There's also a barrier right here, just to stop shooting into the house. But I'll show you right now. Here, Lennon, can you stand still for me? So that I can show them the coin system. Thank you. Okay, so we set up a coin system that allows players to, when they kill someone, get coins which they can then buy different like items with. So I'm gonna buy the fast fire arrows or I guess craft them. And whenever I do, I get a primal bow that I can now use against Lennon, instead of the makeshift bow. So yeah, you can also, you can just chill in here. It's a no damage zone. A lot of the areas are no damage zones, but yeah. So we're gonna start with that was Kate Bishop's area. We're gonna show you next. What was this? Doctor Strange's area. You got this cool portal. It says to Doctor Strange up there. Um, so you can go inside, and it'll bring you to this like little manor like set up on this house. And it says, "Hello, I am Delirium. I have been consumed by the Darkhold. My clones and I require gold for an elixir to heal Master Strange of a curse from Wanda." So, a little bit of spoiler in Marvel movies, but whatever. It's fine. Uh, and then you could buy a bunch of different. This one's broken for some reason. But yeah, the rest of them are all like that one costs 10 bananas. But then yeah, you can buy stuff, and it's just a bunch of different weapons and things. But it's still really cool. So you can head back to Kate's area, and the next one that we're gonna look at is I think let's go with Iron Man. So up here on this blimp, this was before the blimps were added to creative, by the way. So I made the whole thing on my own. Down this vent pipe thing into here, you can buy a bunch of different stuff here, and you end up to right here, where this drone says some stuff. Pause and read it. There you go. And then this this clears your inventory for you. So in case you ever wanted to if you had items and you just don't want them anymore, you're able to go here to this little pad right here, and so yeah, that's cool. Okay, so sorry for the small cut. We had some technical difficulties here. Good now. There was some difficulties, but yeah. And let's do Spider-Man's area now. Yeah, you could tell when Lannon's talking in the top left of the screen. You can't actually hear what he's saying, but he's there. You can see what he's saying. It works. So we have barriers, so you can't fall through these holes, sadly. And again, you can't chew in. You can like throw away, but not from right. You're able to go in. He says, "Hey, Peter Parker here. You can use some attack. I just need gold 500 earrings." So again, you can buy stuff from him. I think he's the best stuff in terms of actual the harpoon gun and Sky's grappler for you to use. So definitely a powerful character because the harpoon does around 75 damage. Uh, I don't entirely know. Yeah, yeah. So then just me, and I know you hear though, but you just reminded that we have an Iron Spider mode to Spider-Man, and the Iron Spider is literally just like thermal vision and extra speed and stuff like that. So we're gonna check out the final area right now with the Black Widow, and she is let's check the map. We have a little map set up. Oh, it's right there. I'm gonna start heading over there. I'm heading the right way. Let's see. Yeah, right up there. Uh, right here. So this is the Black Widow's crash site where she might have had an let's just say oopsie the plane and yeah, there's now a crash site on this building. So she's been sitting up and trying to leave. She has to help Bruce. But she's still and hey, I'm Natasha. I heard you need some equipment. I have some in the cargo bay, but it comes with a price. And then right here you can buy certain items and stuff. They're all really good with her. So yeah. And that is kind of a mini map showcase. You can play it for yourself. Oh, wait. Yeah, so Black Widow has mostly silenced weapons and again, Lena was just telling me uh yeah. So this was one of the later maps we worked on together. Yeah, it's still a cool one. And it's a little bit like it's just something that we've been working on and having a lot of fun with. So yeah. And for watching this showcase. What? Okay, let's show some gameplay. Yeah, let's show some gameplay and then instead of ending the video, they actually do some replay footage so you can like see and get some cool action shots of it. Okay, you ready, Lennon? And a three and two and one and go. Oh, Lennon messed up and he'll use the item, so let's just say he doesn't have that many weapons right now. That's okay. I'm just gonna give him a little bit to grab like a bow. And looks like he's already on my tail. You have a small bit of an unfair advantage here with me already killing him once. Not a lot, just a bit. And also I have some more weapons. For some reason my grappler isn't working. That was weird. Yeah, we'll get some cool action shots. Yeah, okay, thank you. That's gonna be cool. Jumping off the building like that's gonna be cool. Hi, I'm here too. I'm out of here. What'd you say? Here, wait up. No, come back. Queen. He's a queen. Oh yeah, so I forgot to say, I kind of showed it. The bottom down there behind the fog is actually death zones. So yeah, as I just showed, because my grappler wasn't sticking for some reason again. I think it was that. Hey, you be quiet. Oh, that's a good point. You just see that I'm talking to myself, but he deserved it. And he just said that I killed him. So I said, yeah, you deserve it. Yeah, maybe you can watch this video and the other one. Okay, so now we're gonna head back to the lobby, and I'm gonna get some cool yeah, we're gonna get some cool shots in replay mode of what we kind of done. So hopefully there'll be a few good ones. I know a lot of these jumping ones will be cool, and I hope you enjoy. Okay, so welcome to the replay mode. Action shots here. We're gonna start looking at like the gameplay and everything from here. So, I'm gonna skip ahead a little bit, and we're gonna see if we can get some cool slow-mo pics and stuff like that. I don't think I'm going to, put any music in. Uh, I could upload it and put in the music, but I think for now I'm fine with just this. So yeah, sorry it's a little bit buggy. Uh, yeah, let's see. Yeah, there you go. There's a cool slow-mo shot of me falling, because I'm, yeah. Here, watch. This is me whenever I fall. Trying to grapple, I'm trying to grapple, I'm trying to grapple, I'm trying to grapple. See, there I go. Okay. So yeah, you could get some cool little floating pictures through the city. Let's go. Let's turn up the speed here. Yeah. Here I am. There we go, I'm running. This is when I killed Landon. There we go. We're gonna get some cool floating shots right here. If this drone would go any faster, that is. Okay, there we go. No, I don't think I can. There's some cool floating shots of us going down through the city. Areas that's your favorite, okay? And then, say like Fortnite. Do you want to speak to me? Okay, so we're heading up to the Stark Blimp right now, and this is gonna be our final look at the map. Before I end this recording and end the video. So yeah, let's see it. Go through the tunnel, and I just want to say, hit the like button and everything if you want more of this, because I really, really enjoy map making, and I would like it if, I could spread it around to more people and everything. So I hope you enjoyed, and Snow out.